Traditional catfish fry in Bangladesh. First, we wash fish until it's looking white. Then marinate with turmeric, red chili, cumin, coriander powder, salt, ginger paste, and oil. Keep it for some time, then fry with high flame in oil. Lastly, add some onion and green chili for fry. Serve with rice. Best test ever. Thanks for watching. If you will try, let me know in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for next recipe.